In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Squarespace. We all appreciate the convenience of a website builder that allows us to easily manage content, and Squarespace is fantastic for that. However, knowing how to efficiently copy and paste text onto your Squarespace site can save you heaps of time and effort. So, let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that everything goes smoothly. First, you'll want to navigate over to your Squarespace site. Open your browser, log in if needed, and make your way to your website's main dashboard where you can start making edits. Once you're in, let's focus on adding a new block where our copied text will live. Look for the option labeled Add Block. This is where you can choose from a variety of content types to insert into your site, be it images, buttons, and of course, text blocks. After clicking Add Block, you'll be presented with various options. Click on the text block among those options. You'll see a placeholder appear, indicating that you can edit this space to add your text. But before we start pasting, we need to make sure it's done properly. The next thing you want to do is click on Edit. This is a crucial step because it reveals the tools you'll need to manipulate your text. Here you'll find a toolbar that lets you adjust the text style and formatting. But what we're interested in right now is pasting. Now, find and click on the Paste as Plain Text button. This is important because it strips away any formatting from your source text, providing a clean slate that won't interfere with your site's styling. You want to avoid pasting directly without this step because it can bring over unwanted styles from your source document or web page that might not fit seamlessly. Once you've got your text ready to paste, do so right into this clean text box and click OK. The text you've pasted should appear in its plain text format within your Squarespace text block. Take a moment to check that everything has come through correctly and that it aligns well with your existing content. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Find and click on the Save button to make sure all your changes are recorded. This last step ensures that the content you've painstakingly transferred is securely placed on your website. And there you have it. Your content should now be living happily on your Squarespace site with the formatting you desire. By following these steps, you've not only streamlined your workflow, but also ensured that your site's aesthetics remain consistent and visually appealing. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.